Let's just punch him. Let's just go punch him. Go, 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 go.
No, punch him with the yeah, just look good.
Get him. Beat him up. Beat him up. Just beat him up, PJ. Beat him up. Yeah, you're not even listening, huh?
You said, oh, what's gonna make you act up?
Sheesh. You're not saying the sheesh part. What's wrong?
Right here?
Oh, why are you over the around the fucking dude? You ain't go. Did I hit him? No, I didn't go anywhere close. I'm gonna go kill him then. I'm gonna be the kill taker of all. It looked like you needed help. I wasn't gonna take it until you're that low. And I was like, wait, nah, this is all I give you. I give you until you almost about to die, and then I was gonna literally kill him. I was like, see, he's about to die. Should I just help him, or end up dying myself? Nah. Why is everybody solo? What the hell? No. Yeah, the robot died.
I didn't get that robot.
Which one?
Marvin.
But where's the guy arm at? Where we take the arm to?
I gave it to that dude where he got the gold shield and the gold helmet and that guy.
Well, that's sad. Why don't you give it to him? Oh, they're right here in front of me. I didn't even see him. Another Revenant. Wow, we should grab this. And I'm going to go rush because I am a daredevil, basically. One knocked.
Yeah, I told him I too.
I took it off.
114 plus.
Dead. I am your new kill leader, friends.
Yo, why you gotta keep taking my kills, bro?
Actually, I didn't take those.
No, that one octane kill you took.
Yeah, because you're almost dead. There's one by us. Then get this kill then, if you want a kill so bad.
No, I'm just saying.
Say, kill him.
I don't even know where he is.
I marked him. He's right here. I hit him for his
He ran.
Well, he can't run
like,
them.
He ran, but he can't run anymore.
He won't be running that far.
It's like if you took his legs off his body.
Where are you? I'll tell, there he is. Get him. Get him, BJ.
It looks so sad, like,
oh, he's staying there.
Run.
You just staying there. Okay, you gotta kill him, BJ. You gotta do it. I ain't killing him. I'm not helping. So you better. Let's go.
Why
how many kills you got?
Solo? I got one kill. Why is everybody solo?
I got 400 damage in 4 kills. I think that adds up.
Assists.
No cap. I got 1 assist.
I got 4.
Oh, I'm sorry.
yeah. That thing really scored my kill.
I didn't take every single. I didn't take every single kill though. Cause you tapped them. If you tap them, you know you still get an assist no matter what. I only hit that octane for 10. I only hit that guy for 10 damage and I got the assist.
No, I'm saying the Loba, I cracked her. You killed her.
No? Wait, which one? Which one?
The Lobo you just ran up on.
No, that's cap. She has shield. That's cap. That's cap. It was that was the Revenant. You cracked the Revenant. No, you didn't crack. You didn't crack.
The Revenant had death totem and then I took him and then
bro, BJ.
You killed the Revenant.
BJ, no. You cracked. Bro, cause you tapped each one of them. You tapped. BJ.
I did some damage.
The Loba you did not kill because I ran behind her and I lasered her. What? The only reason I got 400 kills because the Revenant and the Loba. 2 of my kills are assists.
I didn't touch
Bro.
Revenant.
Yes, you did. Didn't you shoot her? Didn't you shoot his death totem off?
I shot his death totem twice.
I broke his death totem, and then you kept shooting at him. You tapped him.
No, I stopped.
Bro, okay.
I shot him twice, 14 with purple shield. Yeah, I shot him twice, 14 with the purple shield, and then you ran up on him and killed him.
Yes.
That's where I got my 4th assist from.
Yes.
You took my octane kill too.
Yes, because you were about to die.
So I would have still killed him if he was still health. I would have probably got down, but I would have still killed him.
I didn't want to end up resing you and then getting third party by the team, so I killed him.
By nobody.
But it's not even about kills. It's about an assist anyway. That's what King said. That's what King said. That's what King said. King said it's about the assist.
The assist don't give you no XP. The kills give you XP. Bro, I'm sitting here with like 17 XP. Or probably like 100 XP. You only having like 1,000.
Okay. But yeah, no cap. I'm sorry for taking all your kills.
Bro.
But it's not about. It don't matter about the kills though.
I wanted that octane kill.
I'm sorry about the octane kill. I was not gonna let you die.
I got 1 octane kill. I wanted 2. I tried to cut their heads off and put them in my banner.
Yeah, I was not gonna let you die.
I rape octane with me.
Why would you rape octane? What the hell?
Shut up. I feel high when I'm upset. Remember when me and love were
Revenant is not actually bad. I thought he was bad at the game before. Now I play as him. He's crazy. Like me, right? I know how to use him. Yeah. I think they're in Dome. Or they might be running the Fight Night. Well, Fight Night is an actual crazy. It's gonna be a crazy circle, bro. Right, BJ? You know? BJ? Yeah, do you think that would be crazy though? Okay, let's head there now. Let's go.
Tell me that you're running me there. I feel high when I'm upset. Me and my people, something good. Sometimes life's so bad. I feel high when I'm upset. Just remember when me and you.
Want to see the glitch?
No. I seriously don't want to see a glitch. Because last time you jumped off the edge, bro, you died.
Oh, my thing is stunned. I guess watching thing is stunned the ship. That's cool.
You know people will see that, right?
Yeah, but I'll be fine.
Did you beat it? What?
No. Oh look, let's go punch him.
You should have made it?
No, we should go use his death totem. Oh wait, no, the death totem don't work.
Wait a damn minute.
It don't work in there, I guess.
Oh, we just wasted it.
No, we didn't.
Yeah, we did.
No, we didn't. Watch this.
Right.
Hit him with my thing. He don't have his power no more. Where you going, Octane? You don't have your power no more.
He don't have his power. Why he's still running?
I don't know why he was running. He's an idiot.
Because there is a bloodhound coming towards us.
You took it.
I've been having my red shirt. I don't take it.
Wait, he don't have a red shield. He have a peacekeeper. I'm dead.
Get him.
Let's go. We should watch out. One more.
Down him. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. This one. This one.
No.
This one. This one. This one.
Let's go.
Trust nobody. Nobody trusts me.
I'm going in the ring after this. Yeah, I'm taking this red shield.
Somebody's in the ring. They're coming.
Well, he's coming to us. Ah! Go in the ring. In the ring. In the ring. In the ring. I'm heading up in the ring. I'm heading up in the ring. Yeah, I'm gonna go kill him.
Where did she go? Right here, right here.
I'm sad.
You told me that you're suicidal. I don't know if that's the case. I don't know what's going on. I don't want to tell it down. No, I want to.
Yeah, I'm so sorry for these guys. I got full purple on my Spitfire, bro. Everything is purple. I'm sad for these guys. Hope Fight Night wasn't an option.
Apex if you do win.
Well, it's last squad, so. And I'm pretty sure they're in the house. Just in case, let's go around.
What's your best one, right?
67.
67 or 70?
79. 70 now. 9. Hey, I think if they knew we were down here, they would have been holding that spot. That would have been the best spot for them to hold. So, let's go this way. Hopefully we don't find them. I really don't want to fight them right now.
I'd rather fight him when you get to guts hold him.
Yeah, it's at 90%. We should just keep going until we get the circle, like going around and around. I'm gonna skirt this way. Might as well. Okay, I got this on him, but I'm not gonna use it right now.
Yeah, I noticed when it gets dark outside and you walk inside, you help me face my feelings. I hope you don't mind if I give you the time of your life.
I think he's by himself.
I got 66 now.
I got 6 kills. You got? How do you got all my assists?
I don't know.
I got a 700 damage though.
I got 1,331 kills.
Oh my god.
That's how you know I've been doing the damage. You just been taking the kills.
Sometimes.
You monster.
Most of these kills are mine, dude.
Cause I got 3 kills. How many damage? You got 700 damage? I got 1,000.
You got 3 kills.
I got 3 kills and 1,000 damage. That does not add up.
But I got 6 kills and 700 damage. That adds up. I'm no cap.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
6 kills with 700 damage.
Adds up. Why do we got circle?
Chase,
Chase,
mine doesn't add up.
Yeah, yours don't add up. Mine does.
This round, Chase, you can't have 6 kills with 700 damage. You gotta have like 6 kills with like 1,000 or something damage.
Yeah, I'm gonna drop my weapon.
I still see that gun in your back. What does that do?
What?
Why are you dropping on yourself?
So he'll know I'm peaceful.
Okay.
Don't shoot him, don't shoot him, don't shoot him. Just in case.
And then I'll punch him up. He's the last one.
No, don't finish him! Oh!
You are the champion. I'm stuck in the box. Oh, what the heck?
Adioso!
You still, hey, don't leave me here. Don't leave me here. This does not add up, bro. I got 4 kills on 1,000 damage.
That adds up, bro.
That doesn't add up. Your damage does not add up, bro. 800 kills with, 6 kills with 800 kills.
800 kills. 6 consoles. Oh my god.